AI is fundamentally transforming how finance and strategy leaders monitor markets, competitors, and the broader economic environment. Traditional competitive intelligence relies on manual research, periodic updates, and static data sources. But AI continuously analyzes news, regulatory filings, earnings transcripts, macroeconomic indicators, and sentiment patterns in real time. This allows leaders to detect early signals of competitor moves, pricing changes, new product launches, operational shifts, executive commentary before they become widely visible. At the macro level, AI identifies patterns across interest rates, inflation data, consumer sentiment, commodity prices, and economic indicators that shape corporate performance. The result is faster, richer, and more accurate market intelligence that empowers executives to make sharper strategic decisions. AI gives financial leaders a competitive edge by turning external data into predictive insights. AI brings unprecedented depth and automation to competitor monitoring. It continuously scrapes publicly available data, websites, product pages, pricing updates, executive interviews, and job postings to identify strategic moves. Job postings alone can reveal upcoming expansions, new capabilities, or technology investments long before announcements are made. AI sentiment analysis scans news, social media, analyst commentary, and community forums to detect changes in how competitors are perceived. Machine learning models track indirect signals, such as customer behavior patterns, market share shifts, and operational trends. These insights help CFOs, strategy leaders, and product teams spot competitive threats and opportunities early. Instead of relying on quarterly intelligence reports, AI delivers a live, always on understanding of your competitive landscape. AI strengthens macroeconomic analysis by identifying patterns and relationships within complex economic datasets. Machine learning models analyze GDP movements, interest rates, inflation data, consumer spending trends, commodity prices, and labor market indicators, helping leaders anticipate changes in demand, capital markets, or supply chains. AI evaluates sector level performance, highlighting which industries are accelerating or slowing and why. It also integrates alternative data sources such as transportation flows, satellite imagery, credit card spending, and hiring trends to build a more complete view of economic health. These insights support long term financial planning, pricing strategies, and investment decisions. With AI, leaders gain predictive clarity that helps them navigate uncertainty and make more informed strategic choices in an increasingly dynamic economic environment. AI excels at uncovering predictive signals that influence high stakes strategic decisions. By analyzing millions of data points across markets, competitors, supply chains, and macroeconomic environments, AI identifies early warning indicators that precede market shifts. Predictive models assess competitor behaviors to forecast potential moves, pricing changes, M&A activity, product rollouts, or market entries. AI also detects turning points in sentiment cycles, volatility regimes, and demand patterns. These insights help executives time investments, adjust pricing strategies, reallocate capital, or modify expansion plans with greater precision. Instead of reacting to market events after they occur, leadership teams gain the ability to anticipate them, creating a significant strategic advantage. AI-powered dashboards bring together all competitive market and macroeconomic intelligence into a single strategic interface. These systems aggregate real-time data from internal sources, ERP, CRM, finance systems, and external sources like news feeds, filings, economic databases, and social sentiment. AI agents summarize insights automatically, generating briefings that executives can use in leadership meetings, board updates, and strategic planning sessions. Custom alerts notify decision makers of significant changes, competitor announcements, macroeconomic shocks, rating downgrades, supply chain disruptions, or industry shifts. The result is a centralized intelligence environment where leaders have everything they need to make informed, timely decisions. AI dashboards transform strategic planning from a periodic exercise into a continuous, insight driven capability.